everybody. How you doing? Welcome to Mr. Dave's music lesson number 5, okay? Here's the topics we're going to cover. The music staff, okay? 5 lines, 4 spaces. Let's take a look at it. Here we go. All right. 5 lines, 4 spaces. Go ahead and draw some on your deal, okay? And you're going to have to figure out how to draw that treble clef. That's on your own. It's pretty squiggly. And then the bass clef. The treble clef stands for your right hand. The bass clef stands for your left hand. And this little butterfly thing here is called the grand staff. Pretty much handles both hands and all the notes. Okay, that is the music staff, guys. All right, here we go. Next, we're going to get out, you're going to get your writing pencils and paper. Here we go. We're going to work on only the lines, guys. Lines only. All right? You need to pause on this. Everybody say skip a note. Now, you'll notice I have a little tiny line below the staff. Now, repeat after me. The staff is 5 lines. This little tiny note is called a ledger line. Everybody say ledger line. Okay? The concept of the staff is line, space, line, space, line, space. So, that concept, listen carefully, guys. Line, space, line, space, line, space, line, space. All right? Now, we should write that down as well. So, let's all write that down, the C major scale first, everybody, and then we'll go from there. Now, say line, space, line, space, line, space. Okay? This is what it looks like. Line, space, line, space, line, space, line, space. Okay? Now, super important that you understand that. All right? Now, you're going to repeat after me. Line, space, line, space, line, space, line, space. Okay? Say it backwards. Space, line, space, line, space, line, space, line. That's the C major scale, guys. You know the C major scale already. Okay? The whole staff is based on line, space, line, space, line, space. All right, now here we go. So, let's move on. Okay? And this time, you're going to do a lot of writing this lesson. Okay? Pause when you have to. You're going to write down, first one is called a ledger line. Then, line, 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 line. How many notes do we have there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? You do the same thing on the bass clef. You start with a note, it's a ledger line. It's still a line, okay? And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You end up on this note here. Okay, now, guys, this exercise is called skip a note. So, here we go. We're going to start on middle C, and we're going to skip notes and name them up the staff. You ready? Okay, I'm on middle C. All right, middle C, guys. We're going to skip a note. That goes to E. That's the first line of the staff. G, second line of the staff. B, third line of the staff. D, fourth line of the staff. F, fifth line of the staff. And then remember, the ledger line. That's A up above. Okay? Look at the top note. It's A. You don't have to write your notes in. Okay? Now, say A, F, D, B, G, E, C. Okay, that was going backwards. Okay, go forwards. C, E, G, B, D, F, A. Okay, here we go, guys. We're going to play it. Let's do it again. Remember, skip a note. That's all the lines in a row. C, E, G, B, D, F, A. Excuse me. Okay, say it backwards, guys. A, F, D, B, G, E, C. Beautiful. All right, now everybody look at the paper again. We're going to concentrate on this a lot today. All right? Now, it looks like the same, doesn't it? It's totally different. It's E way down low. Okay? Now, you're going to skip notes as you go. Say E, G, B, D, F, A, C. Now, oddly enough, this note right here, C, is the same as this note. We'll talk about that later. Okay? Now, we're going to play it. Here we go. I've got my left hand way down here on E, okay? Now remember, we're skipping notes. E, G, B, D, F, A, C. And pause and do it again and again until you're with me. Because, you know, I got to move fast because that's how life is. Okay, here we go. C, A, F, D, B, G, E. Those are all the lines in the left hand. Let's say it again. E, G, B, D, F, A, C. Backwards. C, A, F, D, B, G, E. Good, guys. Excellent. Okay, now let's look at the paper again. All right, now we're on this section. We're going to look at the lines. I mean the spaces, guys, all right? Look at this little line below the staff. Excuse me. That's a B, okay? All right, and then we skip a note. D, F, A, C, E, G, B, okay? The high note is a B, all right? Say it backwards. High note, B, G, E, C, A, F, D, B. Okay, here we go, right hand, guys. We'll just call this middle B. Okay, we're doing all the spaces, guys. We skip notes. It's B, D, F, A, C, E, G, B. Good, good. Okay, go backwards. This is high B. B, G, E, C, A, F, D, B. Okay? Now, if you'll notice, look guys, I didn't write the notes in. You can write the notes in if you want, that's fine. But you skip notes, and then you've got all the spaces. All right, here we go. Now we're going to start on the bass clef. Say bass clef. Way down low, we got a D. Look at the little ledger line. Write this on your paper, man. D, way down low. Okay? And then as we go up, it's F, A, C, E, G, B, D. Okay, this is a D right above middle C. That's where we end up. This D and this D are the same. We'll talk about that later. The middle section between the staff needs some explaining. All right, here we go. Now, we're going to go backwards. We're going to start on this D, D, B, G, E, C, A, F, D. Okay, you pause and repeat until you can do it that quickly with me. Now, here we go. Left hand, guys. Okay, this is a D, way down low. Okay, let's say it. D, F, A, C, E, G, B, D. All right, you got that? Let's go backwards. Excuse me. It's D, B, G, E, C, A, F, D. Good, guys. Let's do the spaces, please, in the right hand, starting on B. Once more, please. B, D, F, A, C, E, G, B. Backwards. B, G, E, C, A, F, D, B. Good, guys. Beautiful. Okay, that is a very important exercise, and you should write it as much as you can until you've got it down pat. All righty. So, next we're going to move on to the rhythm tree, guys. All right? Everybody take a look at it. All right, you're going to draw this. Top note is called a whole note. 4 counts. Repeat after me. Whole note, 4 counts. And then this little V means you split it. These are half notes. Open circle with a stem. 2 counts. Say half notes get 2 counts. Okay? Colored in stem with the note. Quarter notes. 1 count, guys. 1 count. Okay? And then the faster notes are eighth notes. And those are 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay? Now you're going to write this down, and then we're going to clap it. Okay? Now here we go. Here's the clapping of that. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, you got that, guys? This is called the rhythm tree. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, look at it again. Let's go backwards. Eighth notes, twice as fast as quarter notes. Quarter notes, twice as fast as half notes. Half notes, twice as fast as whole notes. Okay, 4 counts, 2 counts, 1 count, half count. Half a count, guys. All right, let's do the rhythm tree one more time. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Right? That's rock and roll. Thank God for straight eights. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Thank you guys. That's our lesson. Okay, tune in next time. Do your homework. Thank you. Bye-bye.